Failure is not fatal until we surrender. Trying again is the key of glorious victory. Elevate the self to such a height that ere each judgment, God himself asks of his creature, "Tell me, what is your desire?" Oh, self-aware man, don't get lost in this series of morning and evening. There is another world where there is no future nor past. Your abode is not on the dome of the palaces of kings, for you are an eagle. You live on the peaks of great mountains. Don't get frightened of these furious, violent winds, O eagle. They are only there to make you fly higher. People who have no hold over their process of thinking are likely to be ruined by liberty of thought. If thought is immature, liberty of thought becomes a method of converting men into animals. Nations are born in the hearts of poets. They prosper and die in the hands of politicians. The ultimate aim of the eagle is not to see something, but to be something. For centuries, Eastern heart and intellect have been absorbed in the question, does God exist? I propose to raise a new question. New, that is to say, for the East. Does man exist? Words without power is mere philosophy. Man is primarily governed by passion and instinct. The thought of a limit to perceptual space and time staggers the mind. God is not a dead equation. Why should I ask the wise men, whence is my beginning? I am busy with the thought, where will be my end?